Hi, welcome to the channel. We are Christy and Lucas and we are traveling the Philippines for 3 weeks. We have just spent 4 days in beautiful Coron and now it's time to move on to the gorgeous El Nido, which is only a short ferry ride away. El Nido is known for its hidden lagoons, pristine beaches and overall international admiration as one of the most beautiful places in Southeast Asia. Hello, it's very early, it's 5:30 in the morning and we are in the port in Coron and we are about to board a ferry to El Nido. Hey, we made it! We are officially in El Nido. My first impressions of El Nido. I like here more the landscape because there are cliffs all around the town and also there is a beach which I was really missing in Coron town. On the other hand, it is a little bit more touristy, but with that comes a bigger option of restaurants and beautiful coffee shops. And we are now going to do the Canopy Walk, which is a very fun and exciting way to climb the Taraw Peak, which is the highest point here in the surrounding cliffs. We are fully equipped. You really have to trust your equipment here.
Super sweaty.
The views along the way are just breathtaking. We are sweating like crazy, but it's so worth it.
I found my way. I was in the dark against it all, but made it through the day. Cause I found my way. I found my way. In bad times, I know I'll be okay. Cause I found my way.
This is so pretty, guys. I am so happy right now. We are here in a group of 6 people. The guide is taking amazing pictures of all of us. So if you have your Instagrams ready, this is a place for you. It's dinner time in El Nido and we are craving burgers. Actually, I'm craving burger and Lucas just goes anywhere they have a beer. After enjoying some delicious burgers and taking a short walk on the beach, we went to celebrate hitting the first 1000 subscribers on YouTube. As I am editing this video, my channel has reached an incredible 5000 subscribers. Thank you all so much. It really means a lot. Hello! It's another sunny day in El Nido and today we are starting our adventure by renting a scooter. It is the best way to explore the area at our own pace. So let's hop on our scooter and let's go! It's so beautiful here. It's first big and wide beach that I've seen here in the Philippines so far. It's so pretty. We have decided to rent sunbeds for 500 pesos for the whole day, which is quite reasonable. This is the perfect place to relax and to be honest, I'm enjoying every minute of it because this is actually our first day when we just get to do nothing and just enjoy ourselves here. So if you ever find yourself wondering how much is it here for the restroom, here are the specifics. And now we continue to the waterfall. Nagkalit-kalit Waterfalls are charming small falls with a lovely pond. To get there, you need to go with a local guide which you can arrange on the spot with no need for advance booking. To get to the fall, you do a short trek through beautiful countryside and then into the jungle. Apparently why you needed a guide is that in 2018 there was a guy that got lost here in the jungle and the local army was looking for him for 1 day and 1 night. This animal that just passed us was carabel, which is a national Filipino animal, and it's kind of like a water buffalo. Along the way, we crossed several rivers and swung on a vine like Tarzan. Okay, almost like Tarzan.
It's called makahia.
Makahia. So this is makahia, and if you touch it, look what it does. It's a medicine. 1.8 kilometers later and we made it! And there are absolutely no people, no tourists. It's perfect. Let's dive in. Amazing how much you can enjoy a waterfall when there are no people around and you have it just for yourself. The water is so refreshing, it's fresh jungle water, and in this heat it's perfect. And the last activity for today is to catch sunset at Las Cabañas Beach. Let's go! Good morning! It's a brand new day here in El Nido, and today we are doing a boat tour A, which pretty much covers all the main highlights that are here to see in El Nido. It is the main tour, so we can expect it can get a little bit crowded, but we'll see. First stop is the absolute highlight and my favorite part of this trip, the Big Lagoon. You absolutely cannot miss kayaking here. The turquoise waters are so clear, it's incredible. Paddle away and let the beauty of nature take your breath away. Next stop is the Sacred Lagoon. To get there, you need to hold your breath and swim under a rock. You will feel like you are in a scene straight out of the Pirates of the Caribbean. Even Jack Sparrow would be impressed. We stopped at Shimizu Island to enjoy this colorful and delicious buffet lunch, but suddenly it started to rain. What's the best thing to do when it's raining? To have a singing competition, of course! I never wanna be safe. I want it that way. Yeah! The last stop of the day was Seven Commandos Beach with beautiful tall palm trees, making it a perfect place to relax and reflect on such a memorable day. Another way to discover Coron and El Nido is on a multi-day island expedition with Big Dream Boatman Expeditions. Sailing on a boat in the most beautiful corner of our planet is a top-rated and amazing experience. You can book this extraordinary adventure through the link below in the description box. Thank you for watching, this is it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video and I'm gonna see you in the next one.